something I never seen before at the mowers and get a free $15 off from 34. That's just, we got the buy one get one free. Alright, we got the top 2 deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make virtual review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, to start here, we got this a good deal on this 100 count blades for $14.90. Definitely recommend these guys, a lot cheaper than other brands. And then check this out, I found this one's $6.99. This is a little heavier use chipper shredder. Pretty nice machine. And then you got the buy one get one free, so you buy any of the mowers up to any of the mowers and get a free either blower or string trimmer. So definitely recommend this. On clearance for $26 down from $34 is a tune-up kit for the Husqvarna. $149 for the leaf blower and string trimmer combo. And then you got this chain on clearance for $17. It is a 14-inch for the skill. You got this generator on sale here for $7.49 down from. It's actually not bad, guys. Not bad. But I seen at Costco a little bit lower than that. So $50 lower than that. So definitely wait for a Costco sale on that one. And then this is the clearance section, power tool clearance section. Well, OPE power tool clearance section. You got a 3-pack of .65 065, and then got a wheeled edger for $95, up from $239. We got a gas edger here, 2-cycle 25cc, 114, up from $209. It's a dedicated edger. Got a string trimmer, 20-volt brushed, $48, up from $139. So that's it right there, pretty nice. And then for the cobalts right next door, you got $135 down from $159 for the telescoping cleaning brush. Very similar to the Joby one, but it's a lot cheaper because it does come with battery and charger. Alright, so you got the plug-in DJI. So this is a timer, basically. And on clearance for just under $5. Here's another a Wi-Fi timer. $6.52 down from $29. Got a smart alarm indoor camera, $90 down from $130. Not bad. Simply Safe. I heard that on the radio, but I haven't seen it in person. Alright, you got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the kits, which are the 2 batteries and charger, you get any of those tools for free. There's a lot of good tools out here. Most of these are brushless RP, so they're top of the line Craftsman stuff. This is the kit you have to buy, and you get one of these tools for free, including the blower, the belt sander, the ratchet, angle grinder, all sorts of stuff. Alright, and talking about the DeWalt's, they got this one. It's $99 your choice here. For any extreme 12-volt tool, one-handed reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, circular saw, and then the impact wrenches. So it's actually a pretty dang good deal on these. You get to choose whatever you want for these 12-volt tools. And that is one of the impact wrenches. And yeah, of course, you do have the 1/2 inch and the 3/8, your choice there. And then talking about $149 deal, which is a pretty good starter kit there. Impact driver, drill driver. You got a hammer drill, a ratchet, a bandsaw. So all sorts of better, a little better tools. $149 for this job site fan kit, which is pretty good for that. With that battery, the fan is by itself is $99. You got a 7-tool combo kit for $5.99, and then you got this miter saw, to 12-inch double bevel miter saw for $3.99. So down from $5.99, and then you got any of these tool kits on the left for $249. Or that impact driver hammer drill for $2.99. So definitely recommend these. They do come with premium batteries and premium chargers. So I believe they're 8-amp-hour batteries on all these kits. So definitely check it out. Talking about batteries, this is a clearance for a 2-amp-hour battery for $19. And then this oscillating tool is a 20-volt oscillating tool, $79 for the kit. And that's another picture of that. And then you got the reciprocating saw for $79. Buy one get one free for the cobalts. You buy any of the kits on the bottom, you get a free tool on the top. The impact driver is going to be a pretty good deal because you get a tool and a battery charger, or you can get the 2 batteries, stock up on those batteries. All right, so $16.98 for the 7-piece shank hammer drill. That's pretty nice. And then you got your choice, actually not your choice here, but you got a free starter kit with the purchase of that oscillating tool. $9.98 for the 14-piece black and gold or the 30-piece tough grip fastening set. And I believe that fastening set was already sold out, so they just had the black and gold. So $149 for the 18-volt brand nailer. It is the kit. It does come with the 2 amp hour battery and charger, which is a plus. You guys know this is a premium brand for nailers. This company's been around making nailers for a long time. Probably one of the better ones out there. Alright, so $69 your choice. The ones on the left, keep in mind that these are lower grade tools. These are meant for DIYs, just really small projects. The fan's pretty good deal. It does come with the battery and charger. Check this out, guys. Something I never seen before. It took me a little while to find it, but it is a high torque impact wrench for the Craftsman. It is 1,000 pound breakaway torque. So it took me a while to find it at the website. And I gotta say, this looks really, really nice. I don't know if this is the one that's on sale, but the other one was on sale for like $3.99, I believe. I don't know if this one's the same one, but it might be a model down, or a trim down there. All right, so these are on clearance. These are all the spider blades. $4.92 for that one, for the diamond. You got a 7-inch there for $8.42. Got the Bosch buy one get one free. So you buy the Bosch tool, get a free 4 amp hour starter kit. That's what we just saw over there with the oscillating tool. But this one's, I believe they have more tools. Those are the items there at the left. So pretty good deals on those. And then this kit is actually a pretty nice deal on this one. Because I used Bosch bits before, and they are one of the best. So this one's $13.47, down from $17.98. And this one's $14.97, down from $19.98. It's a 20-piece dual drive set. Not too bad. So you do get some bits for drilling. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy the starter kit for the flex and get a free tool. There's a lot of good tools there you guys could choose from. I'm not going to go over them in detail because we already went over them last time. This one's on clearance. It's $210, down from $279. It is the quick eject impact driver with the power stack. Lithium batteries, the brand new batteries. And then they got the Weehaw here 9-piece SAE or metric pocket hex key set. So pretty nice looking. I really like the looks of that one. Alright, so something that we haven't gone over on this channel is this vacuum here. So it's a pretty nice vacuum. I really like where they put the accessories, very easy to see. And that one's like a 3-inch accessory. And then you got the crevice tool there. And then it's $159. It's 18-volt, 20-volt max. This one's $39, down from $98. And then this one's on clearance. It is one of the newer lithium stacked batteries. 6 amp hour batteries, and then this one's a circular stuff for $59, down from $139. On clearance, and some more clearance here for the Craig jig. Both of these, you got the cabinet door mounting for $19.77, down from $32. Get the pocket hole jig, $35, down from $59.98. Then you got this quick eject, $10, down from $16.98. And then see, this is what caught my attention. Is something newer actually that I haven't seen at the stores. But they got some hole saws, and then you got the rapid load shank there. And then this is the 9-piece. It does come with the 1-inch all the way to a 2-inch bit, made in the USA with global materials. This is $119 for the kit. So not bad. And then these are all on clearance, guys, because they are replacing them with another brand. It's going to go right there. So, and then this one's on clearance as well. You got the stabilization knee pads, $31, down from $49. And these are 20 down from 34. So there's just different ones out there. You got this utility knife, $7.57 down from $8.98. It's on clearance. And then some peg tray, Craftsman 1/2 inch for the sockets. And then you got these stubbies, the 7-piece SAE. This one's 32 down from 39. And then this was a 22-piece 1/2 inch universal socket set, 58 down from 64. It's actually a pretty nice kit. However, those sockets are 12 point. And then you got a 24-piece, $13 off from 34. This is a really good deal. I actually was going to come back and pick it up and I forgot. So I left it there for somebody else. So I needed a kit. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.